Second only to the Queen, yet I am the saddest of mortals in France.
Why, what's the matter, my lady?
Oh, Teresa, I am so downhearted. My father has betrothed me to Fair Lansfield, and I can't stand him.
But he's such a cat. Every lady of the court wishes to be in your pretty shoes.
But my heart belongs to another, Pierre de Bataille. Ever since I met him, I can't get him out of my mind.
Yvonne!
Oh, Pierre, you shouldn't have come. Your flirting with danger. They will surely find you out. Your head is much too valuable.
'Tis Cupid himself who calls me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, must come charging to your side, despite the threats of Madame la Guillotine.
But the night is full of our enemies.
Imperious princess of the night, I love you.
Oh, Pierre.
I love you. 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 Yvonne! Captured by Rouge Noir of the Purple Terror. Oh, my sword! I must slash your side! Yvonne!
Pierre!
Pierre is miles away, my wench.
No, no, no!
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no!
Yes, yes, yes.
No!